Okay, we're here with Ethan. We are practicing a ball that is higher. All right, he's a good junior player, going to try out as a freshman for his high school team. Really good athlete, excellent hand-eye coordination. We showed him the 8-board, we showed him the whip, and now we're showing him how to hit the ball when it's a little higher. So this is a good drill to use for approach shots, even though this is really more of a put-away shot. Most players don't like to hit the ball above the hip because it's easier to hit it when it's knee high or even lower. It's just an easier stroke. But what we're doing is starting to show him how to hit it flatter and how to follow through all the way across. All right, now on these, let's really focus on keeping your head still, perfectly flat. Hammer it down, get away from that basket, and swivel. Good. Now no spin, so you can't put spin on that ball. A rabbit will get it. There's the shot. Feel it? And swivel. Good. Now so you're trying too hard. Instead of just letting your arm be a whip, you look like you have tightness. All right, last 3. And swivel. Yes, you were relaxed. You slowed down too. Moved your head too far out in front maybe on the ball toss. Higher ball toss. That was a pretty good shot though. And hammer. Good. So for those of you out there who are looking to improve your game, especially on your approach shot, one of the key areas is really try and focus on hitting it at the 45 and then just letting that arm go, and you want to hit it flat. Hope that helps your singles and doubles game.